you ready to go to the beach, man?
Yeah.
Let's do this! Woo! Beach day, beach day, beach day, beach day! This is our beach we like to go to here in San Diego, Team Jedi. We've got roller coasters, rides. It's so much fun. The beach we're at today is called Mission Beach, and this is Belmont Park. This is where all the fun rides and gift shops and everything are. This is a beautiful beach here in San Diego, California. Look at all the palm trees. The boogie boarder today. He is a great boogie boarder, you guys. There he comes. Gonna get in and start boogie boarding yet?
Yeah.
How's the water?
Huh?
Is it cold?
Not that cold.
Alright. Can't wait to see you boogie board. And he's off for his first wave of the day. Let's see if he's lucky and catches one quickly. Jedi has been boogie boarding since he was 3 years old, guys. I'm a huge boogie boarder, so he learned really young. There he goes. He caught his first one of the day. It's a little tiny one, but he did it. Good job, man. Now go back farther and catch a bigger one this time. That's all right. One wave already. He just got in. Pretty early in the day. And I don't know if you guys know, but here in San Diego, the beaches are filled with seaweed. Seaweed is everywhere. Oh, let's see. I see a big one coming. No. Okay, he did it. No. He fell off. Go back farther. Round 2. That one coming looks like a good one. If he was back just a little bit, he would have caught it. A little too ahead of it. Good try, Gio! While he's trying to look for a new wave, let me show you all around the beach. So that's Belmont Park over there. There's lots of restaurants and arcades and rides and lots of fun stuff. Here's the beautiful beach. It's really windy, guys, so if you hear a lot of wind, that's why. Alright, let's see what he's doing. Giothejedi, how were the waves, man?
Good.
Yeah? Was the water freezing cold? Yeah, but you don't care, huh? What do you eat? Uh-oh, look who's coming. Ooh. Oh, I know what you want to do, bird. He sees this right here. The birds out here are so bold. He will come over here and snatch these chips up from you real quick, Jedi. You better eat. Oh, look. It's so funny. When I look his way, he tries to act like he's not looking. But as soon as I turn the camera this way, he started looking. Don't do it, mister. I'm watching you. They're not for you, bird. You better eat them things or he's never gonna leave. He probably wants the whole bag. Go away, bird. Yeah. Nice wave, man. All right, now it's time for me to get on out there. I just noticed all of the sailboats out there off in the distance. There's a ton of them. Uh-oh. There I go. Feet in the water, feet in the water. Gio's gonna catch another wave. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! The water is freezing, Team Jedi. Oh, he caught one and we missed it. It was a quick little short one though. Gio the Jedi can stay in the ocean all day long. I don't care if it's cold outside, windy. He is a merman. And let me tell you guys, this water is freezing. Oh, he was just behind that wave, a little too much. All right, hey girls, you about to go hit the waves? Yeah. All right, do it. Those are our friends. Best part about living in San Diego is you've got ice cream men all around you, just waiting for you to want some ice cream or chips or soda or water. And they make the best chips. They don't just sell chips, they sell chips and then you can put all this extra stuff on top of them. They're yummy. The boy's still in the water. There he is. Okay, so Gio and his two friends are out there right there, and they're trying their hardest to all three catch the same wave. Let's see if they can do it, guys. Come on, waves, where are you? These ones are too little. Oh, and Layla just joined them, so that's all four of our kids right there. Let's hope they all can catch a wave together. Gio got one. Oh, Gio and Andrea got one. Yeah. I still haven't gotten in yet, Team Jedi. It is so cold. The weather is nice, but the water is freezing and it's a little too windy for me to want to get in. Yet. Can I help you, sir? Is there something I can do for you? No? Okay, bye. Okay, all four of them are going for it again. Let's see if they can all four catch the same wave. Gio's out there in the red boogie board with his yellow tank top on because he already got boogie board rash. He fell off, but the two girls made it to the end. There he is back there with his bestie Layla. This is the Boardwalk where they set up and sell stuff. Mainly lots of handmade things from Mexico, face painting, lots of sports bags, ceramics, cakes and masks. And right there's the East Ocean. Gio's still in the the ocean, so I'm headed for a drink. I only brought waters and I'm craving some caffeine. There I am, boogie boarded, guys. And again. Gio and I caught the same wave together. Woo! Alright, Team Jedi, we really hope you enjoyed watching us having fun in the sun and catching some waves. Until next time, Team Jedi.